really wish we had a real pool instead of a sprinkler. I don't know. I guess it's just a pipe dream.
Honey, nothing is a pipe dream if you have a plan.
What is that?
Our plan. But first, some resources. These two from Thursday Pools are great. The Pool Selector and the Pool Cost Calculator. Now, with the Pool Selector, we get answers to some basic questions that allow us to match up our backyard, family size, and intended pool use. Here, check it out.
Ooh, let's do that one.
Ah, the Aspen.
Yeah.
The Pool Cost Calculator is a quick and easy way to ballpark the overall cost based off the specs and the options we select for our pool.
This is great.
You ready to do this?
Let's do this.
Yeah. All right, here's the backyard. And here's our Aspen. Now, let's think big picture. Think about the memories we want to make in our pool. Surely our kids' interest in activities will change. A cost plan is one way our family can grow into our pool. Maybe we add some elements as the kids grow and the pool becomes our social hub.
So how will we finance this?
Well, there's a couple financing options. There's cash out of pocket, second mortgage, a home equity line of credit, and more. We might even want to combine them. For instance, say we want to build our pool, landscape, finish it out this summer, and then some toys and a deck expansion in the summer after that. We could do a home equity line or a second mortgage for the primary piece, pay cash for year 2, and then use a credit card and earn some travel miles for that final piece. This approach spreads out the cost for us, and we get a perk, air miles. That's just one approach. Not that I've thought about it at all.
Now that's a plan.
Owning a fiberglass pool from Thursday Pools could never be easier. With the help of the Pool Selector Tool and the Pool Cost Calculator, you can make this into a reality. Because nothing's impossible if you have a plan.